Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brianna. Today I am here with another mug cake video. We are just making a plain avocado mug cake. And I've tried this recipe. It is like super good. So let's get into this video. First, what you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of mashed up avocado. And then we're just going to put everything in this microwave safe mug and then stir everything up. And I like to eat avocado just because of all the really good health benefits. It's anti-inflammatory, so that helps with pain. So that's partly why I like making stuff with avocado and eating it. Next, we are taking 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we are taking 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. 1, 2, 3. Now we're taking a half a teaspoon of baking powder. There we go. Next, we are having to use milk, and it's going to be 2 tablespoons and then a half a tablespoon. 1, 2, and then half a tablespoon. Our final ingredient is a half a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and after all of this is put in, we're going to stir it with a fork until smooth, and then we're going to put it in the microwave for just a minute and about 20 seconds. This is what it looks like all stirred together. Now let's put it in the microwave for a minute and 30 seconds. This is what it looks like all done, so let's dig in, and yeah. I am so excited to eat this. This is like one of my favorites now, because I did this a couple of days ago. It is just so good. Like, you wouldn't know that there's avocado in it. And it has a tad different texture than the chocolate avocado one I made. So I like this texture a lot better. But if there's any other mug cakes you want me to try, comment down below. Have a nice day. Bye.